Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of Web GIS. This is your Shahriar sir, and in here I'm going to teach you how to play with GIS in the field of web. And in this lecture, we are going to learn how to install GeoServer properly, accurately, without facing any trouble actually. So before installing GeoServer, obviously we should install a JRE in our computer, and JRE means Java Runtime Environment. It is an environment in where our GeoServer will run actually. That is why its name is Java Runtime Environment. And we can't use any type of Java runtime environment for our GeoServer. We need to install a suitable JRE version compatible with our GeoServer. So now we are going to use this JRE 11 version, which is compatible with our latest GeoServer. So for this purpose, we have divided this lecture into two parts. GeoServer installation part 1, which is this one. And in here, first of all, we will learn how to install JRE before installing GeoServer. And in our upcoming lecture videos, GeoServer installation part 2, in where we will learn how to install GeoServer and how to locate our this install JRE at the installation time of GeoServer. We will learn this in our part 2. So now let's see, first of all, how to install this suitable JRE, which is compatible with our GeoServer. But before that, we need to check already we have a JRE in our computer or not. Go to control panel. Otherwise, it will create some kind of trouble. Say I already have a JRE 11 version in my computer. Before installing that JRE, we need to uninstall our previous JRE. Uninstall this one. So now we are ready to install our this JRE. This is very easy to install. Just double click, you start, click run. In this window, we need to click next, JRE with hotspot. Check I accept, then click next. In this installation scope window, we need to check this one. By default, it will be checked, install for all user of this machine. Now click next. In this custom setup, we need to do nothing. Now click next. Now all we need to do is just click install. It will take few seconds, don't worry. See, we have successfully installed JRE 11 in our computer, but this is not the end. We need to locate our this JRE in where it has been installed. Basically, it will be installed in our C drive, then program files, Eclipse Adoptium, and JRE 11 hotspot. This folder directory path we need to use at our GeoServer installation time. In our upcoming lecture video, part 2, we will learn how to install GeoServer by using our this JRE. Now, let's do it in your computer and play with this.